In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your ClickUp account with your email using Microsoft Outlook. This process is straightforward, but it's essential to ensure that you follow each step carefully to ensure a smooth integration. So let's jump right in. To begin, open your favorite web browser and go to ClickUp. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Simply enter your login details, and you'll be directed to your ClickUp dashboard, where we can begin the process of integrating your email. Next, once you're successfully logged in, make your way to your profile. You can usually find this in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. There should be a profile icon. Click on that to access a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This is where you'll find various options to customize your ClickUp experience to suit your needs better. When you're in the Settings menu, look on the left side of your screen for the Email Integration option. Click on it, and you should see a button that says Sign in with Microsoft. Click this button to proceed. At this point, you'll be prompted to sign in using your Microsoft account, specifically your Outlook email credentials. If you use Outlook for your email, you should already be familiar with these details. Remember, it's crucial to ensure that the email you use here matches the one you'd like to integrate with ClickUp. After entering your email and password, click the Sign In button. If everything goes smoothly, you'll see a confirmation message or something similar indicating that your emails are now successfully integrated with ClickUp. It's just that simple. Once this is done, you'll be able to manage your tasks more efficiently, having streamlined your communication and task management tools. And with that, you've reached the final step. You've now successfully integrated your ClickUp account with your Outlook email. This integration should make managing your tasks and emails much more seamless and efficient. You'll be able to stay organized and keep track of any updates or changes, all within your ClickUp dashboard. In case you encounter any issues, always double-check your login details and try again. It may be helpful to clear your cache or try using a different browser if problems persist. And there you have it, the swift integration of your ClickUp account with your Microsoft Outlook email. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to stay tuned for more useful tutorials that simplify your digital tasks and improve productivity. Happy organizing!